Joan Walden Real Estate. Be it ever so humble. There's no place like Joan.
This is Mr. Humberfloob.
Oh, hi, Mr. Humberfloob.
Joan, I need you to come back to the office.
Today?
Yes, Joan. No problem?
No problem at all.
Great.
Oh.
What's going on, Mommy?
Mommy has to go back to the office. Oh, I hope Mrs. Kwan can babysit.
Not Mrs. Kwan.
Oh.
Hi, Mrs. Kwan.
Hi.
I'm running late. Thanks for babysitting on such short notice.
Yeah.
Okay, Mrs. Kwan. I'll be back in a couple of hours. Conrad's grounded, so no video games. Sally, last chance. If you want to make cupcakes, I can take you to your friend Ginny's house.
Jenny's not my friend anymore. Last time we made cupcakes, she wanted to be the head chef. I'm the head chef.
Well, what about Denise then?
She talked back to me, so I ordered her not to speak to me anymore.
And you don't like Bossy?
I won't tolerate it.
Right. Well, if you're both staying, remember the rules. Conrad, no playing ball in the house, no fighting, no answering the phone, city morgue.
Mommy, can't I have some rules?
No chewing tobacco.
Thanks, Mom. You have my word.
And absolutely no one sets foot in the living room or else.
Or else what? You're gonna do what Larry said and send me to military school?
Maybe if you just behave, I wouldn't have to consider military school. I wish I could trust you.
I wish I had a different mom.
Well, sometimes I wish the same thing. Good luck with your meeting.
Children, would you like to watch television with me? We don't have to tell your mother.
Next Wednesday night.
Taiwanese parliament.
You tell them, Guai-Jung. No more big government. Rip his heart out. Hit me.